Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I got a power supply here, and everybody I'm sure ran into this at one point in time, that you want to power this without having to hook this to a motherboard. So we can hook these guys up or whatnot, or turn this into a power supply to power other things. And there's an easy way around that. Now, I took a power supply before and cut this off way back in here, I think, and did it back in here. But we're just going to do it from the connector so I can still use this power supply if needed. So, if we look here, as you can see, this is a 20 plus a 4-pin connector to make 24 pin, just like such. Now, if we look, and I'll throw a link in the description to my website for a diagram and whatnot, but you probably can't see it, but right there you can see some numbers. So we need to short out pin 13 and 14, which is the green and black wire. There and there. So I took a piece of 18 gauge stranded, cut a couple of the wires off, and crimped on some ferrule terminals. So just like such. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to push these in here like that. See if we can line it up here. So there we go. This is a little safer than using bare wire, but not everybody has ferrule terminals laying around. So now what we can do is take our power cord here, plug it in, we have that, and if we flip the switch, we got power. As you can see, it's running. And if we turn it off, the fan will stop. And if we unhook one of these and turn it back on, it doesn't work. But if we take it and we short it back out, there it goes again. So hopefully this kind of helps out. Like I said, I'll throw a link in the description to my website for what wires we need to short out to make this work. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe.